Very good morning. Today I have selected two stocks, LT and Asian Paint. So LT I am looking for a buy trade, and basically I have made my position in LT, and in Asian Paint, yes, my order is also got executed. So in both the stocks I have made my position. In LT I have taken long, whereas in Asian Paint I am going short. So let's discuss the reason, analysis and the trade that I have taken. So result will be decided by the market. Yeah. Let us take LT first. Okay. So what is the reason for selecting this stock? As you can clearly see, dominating pressure in this stock is buying. Definitely, it is very crystal clear that price is moving from this corner to this corner in uh, making higher highs and higher lows. So first reason for selecting LT is 1 minute. Yes. First reason for selecting is its dominating pressure. Second reason is this level. This if you can see here is a very small build up, and this build up is on the upper side of the entire trading session of yesterday. Here one more build up duration is already, and this build up duration was broken, and again a new position was created near the high of yesterday trading session. See what happened. First candle created a low, and that low was never tested by the stocks, and at the same time market was down, but the trend of this stock was in up. So basically what it showed us that whatever the condition of market, buyers are still interested in this stock, so they will still looking for buying, so they will keep the prices up. So that is the thing we want. As a retail trader, we always want to follow the bigger player, and bigger player always leave the footprint behind their journey. So what are the footprints that we need to identify and trade along with them? So these are the footprints from my point of view. The first build up, they stop the price moving down, again created a new high, again sellers came, pushed the price back long, and a lengthy strong consolidation zone was formed, and this zone was broken out, and again this zone was consolidation uh, zone was formed, but the prices were never allowed to go down. So that makes me feel that it will move up in upcoming directions. So as soon as the high of yesterday, sorry, on 9th November, that means the highest high in between these 3 days was broken, and again I have made my position. So as of now, I have entered this stock on 1963. Now I am in profit, but I am looking to sell this stock around 1990. So let's see what happened, and what the market will decide with this stock, or whether market will be interested to give me profit or not. So let the market decide it. Now let's move to Asian Paint. Asian Paint, I will show you. See how interesting. One of the favorite pattern that I always look to trade is a level or any price that is getting tested multiple times is very good place to trade over there. So as soon as this level was broken, I have entered. My selling price is 3079. Yes, I have already placed my limit order because From the previous trading session, it was a clear indication that prices will move down. So level was already tested. So place your order as soon as you will give the chance. You have a chance. So let us discuss the reason for selecting this stock. So you can clearly see there is a trend change, and price came down heavily, again pushed back, but again they are starting sides sideways trade, and again they have tested this level multiple times. So once this level will be broken, this stock will become a very good candidate for short trading. So this is what happened today, and I have already made my short position in this stock. So three reasons: first, dominating pressure; second, multiple levels; and third, it has broken as market is also in negative phase. So all the sun signals are in one direction. So it is better to short this stock. So let the market decide what will happen with this stock and what will be my final profit with this stock. Always I look for 1:3 risk reward ratio. So this is today's plan, and still it is 10:15 or 10, yeah, around 10:15. So I think 1 hour has gone, and another 5 hour are there with us. So I will write the journey. If profit will be coming in my way, if market will take U-turn, then I will be booking loss. But most probably the chance is that I will book the profit in both the stocks, because I am going to trail the stop loss as soon as my reward will reach 1:2 risk reward ratio. So this is the plan of today's trade, friend. Thank you. Keep watching, keep trading, and please try to learn the analysis that I do, and give your feedback and comments. So we will learn together, and we can achieve financial independence while trading. Thank you. Bye.